Hello, and today we will draw the first black player to play in the major leagues, Jackie Robinson. He joined the Brooklyn Dodgers in 1947 and became a key figure in the civil rights movement. All right, so let's make his face. He will be holding a baseball bat, taking a swing at the ball. I have a U shape for his face. Let's make his ears. And let's make two small vertical lines above his ear. And let's make a horizontal line like this for his hat, and two small vertical lines going up like this, and then a horizontal line. All right, let's make a vertical line here and a little vertical line here. And let's connect these two lines by making a rainbow shape like this. And let's make the Brooklyn Dodgers logo, the letter B for Brooklyn. All right, I have my B, and I will place two little dots like this. Okay, so let's make his eyes. And a U shape to connect the two rainbows. And let's add a circle inside each eye. And a small heel shape like this inside each circle. And I will shade that in, the bottom portion of his eye. Let's make his eyebrows. And let's make his hair by making wavy lines here and wavy lines here. All right, let's make his nose. And a horizontal line like this, and a U shape to make his smile. All right, let's make his body. So we are going to make two vertical lines like this, then a horizontal line to connect for his neck, and just above his neck where it starts at the bottom, make a horizontal line like this, and then a vertical line like this, and a diagonal line here, and one that's a little bit longer right here, and then connect with another diagonal line. This is his jersey, and let's make his arm sticking out of his jersey. I'm going to make a diagonal line like this, then one that sticks out just a little bit like this, and then I will make a horizontal line here like this, and one like this, and then make a vertical line like this. All right, so let's make his hands holding the bat. So we are going to make almost square shape hands like this, one here, and one square shape hand on top of the other. All right, let's add a knob underneath the bottom hand. This is part of the baseball bat. All right, so we are going to create some overlapping. I'm going to make a line going out like this, and just above the ear, turn in. It will be behind his head. I'm going to use an imaginary line, continue, and connect to the bat like this. So he's holding the baseball bat. All right, and let's make a line going into the bat like this. Okay, and let's make another vertical line here. All right, so let's continue and let's make the rest of his body. So let's continue, make a line here, and then a horizontal line like this into the bat. Okay, so let's make his pants. So we are going to make a line, a diagonal line going out like this. Then a diagonal line like this. Come in like this, just a little bit. And then make a diagonal line here on the other side. Come out just a little bit. A horizontal line like this. And connect to the other leg. All right, so let's finish off on both legs. Let's make a line going in like this, and another one going in like this. Then I will make a curved line like this. And let's do the other side, the other leg. Come out just a little bit like this. And then another one like this. And then a curved line like this. So now we got to make his shoes, his baseball shoes. So I would make a horizontal line like this. Come down here, and connect. And let's make the cleats, the spikes of the shoes. 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots for the spikes of his shoes. And let's do the other foot going down like this. Come down this way, come back up, and connect. And let's make the spikes of his shoes. So he's in position to swing the ball. So one more thing I will draw is the baseball. So I will make a circle like this. So we are done drawing Jackie Robinson. As you can see, the colors that I use on my left. I hope you had fun. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.